Some people believe that scheduled maintenance is unnecessary and keep driving the car without PM for a long time, like this customer. The engine noise suddenly appears. Whenever there is a signal from your car, please do not ignore it. Bring your car to a Honda service center. In this customer's case, skipping periodic maintenance is the root cause of the engine noise, which require the engine repairs with high additional repair cost. But did you know it can be prevented by periodic maintenance? Let me tell you more about periodic maintenance. Periodic maintenance is the scheduled inspection and replacement of parts and fluids at specific intervals before they deteriorate. To keep your car at the top performance, periodic maintenance should be performed on time, even if the mileage has not yet been reached. This helps prevent sudden, unexpected problems and reduces additional and high repair cost. It helps keep your car performing at its best, fuel efficient, safe, and reliable. It also extends the lifespan of your car, preserves its resale value, and lowers long-term repair costs. This is why we should not overlook the importance of periodic maintenance, which benefits both you and your car. We recommend having your periodic maintenance service carried out at authorized Honda service centers. We provide a full inspection for your car by Honda-trained expert technicians, using genuine Honda parts you can trust, because your confidence and safety are what we are dedicated to protecting on every journey. Just keep connected with us. We will take care of the rest.